Hey guys, Jacob here. Today we are going to be doing first episode of Jacob's True Reviews. This will be going into a playlist of modern alarms that I'm reviewing based on how they are and what features they have. So we are looking today at the kidde model KN-COEG-3. This unit is brand new in the box. This was dated to 2017 and it's 2021. So it has the test and the peak level, which thankfully is 0. This is an explosive gas alarm and also carbon monoxide alarm. And this is gray. This is which makes it decently rare unit itself. Actually, it starts off with the unit starts off with explosive gas when you test it, and then it goes into carbon monoxide testing. The explosive gas alarm has 4 long beeps, 4 long pulses of the piezo, and the carbon monoxide is the iconic for some reason it goes out on the camera, but it's actually there always on the thing. So if we can give this a test. People are trying to sleep, so try to keep this. But as you can see, that's what it is. Other than that, it's decently a good unit. You know, look at the back again if you want to. 2017, June 5th. So only 4 years old. We're only 3.5 years old. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it. Bye.